Meaning of expressly.
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 Expressly. Expressly means something is done with specific and clear communication or intent. It is often used to indicate that a particular action is carried out intentionally and not accidentally. For example, if someone expressly tells you to do something, they are giving you specific instructions that must be followed. This is in contrast to a more general instruction where there may be some room for interpretation. Expressly clarifies the intention behind an action and leaves little room for confusion. Overall, expressly conveys a sense of clear purpose and intentionality in whatever task or action is at hand.